Well, as you can see here, what a difference it makes to clean it up here. Even though this rust has been here for over 26 years, it's been just sitting in storage. But yeah, you clean it up to almost the original shine. Which, I mean, you see that at museums, they just spend a lot of time cleaning them up to make them look pristine again as much as possible. But yeah, just need a lot of time, and like I said, this is just a steel wire wheel for the most part.